Welcome again. The Hindu editorial dictation 80 word per minute. Second article England in lockdown. Be ready? Start. In a bid to control the spread of the highly transmissible new COVID 19 variant, the UK announced on Monday a fresh lockdown in London and southeast England, which is expected to be in force till mid February. The decision comes after much deferring. The scientific advisory panel had recommended days before Christmas that the government consider a national lockdown, including shutting down educational institutions. As on January 4, the UK has reported 2.7 million cases and over 75,500 deaths, the second highest toll in Europe. More than 50,000 new cases have been reported daily since December 29, 2020, with a peak of nearly 59,000 cases on January 4 and over 400 deaths daily. On Monday, more than 26,000 COVID 19 patients were admitted in hospitals, an increase of 30% from the previous week. Though the new variant does not cause increased disease severity or mortality, a surge in cases and hospitalization can lead to more deaths. It is more transmissible. The reason why the reproduction number of people a person can infect is 1.7. The spread is considered to be under control when the reproduction number is less than 1. Based on an analysis of cases and genome sequence of nearly 44,500 samples collected from England between September 21 and December 13, it was found that even during the previous lockdown, the new variant spread in many locations. This even as fresh cases were generally dropping due to reduced spread of the then dominant strain. There is evidence that the earlier lockdown was effective in containing the previously predominant strain, suggesting that the new variant grew in absolute terms. The rapid spread of the new variant, even during the previous lockdown, might not reflect a general failure of control measures but highlights the inherent nature of the new variant to rapidly spread given its higher transmissibility. First off, that areas with slower baseline virus spread also reported a slightly reduced spread of the new variant suggests that it is indeed possible to reduce, if not suppress, the transmission of the new variant if the lockdown is stricter and compliance is better. It is for this reason that, unlike in the previous lockdown, schools and universities too are to be closed now. The new variant appears to affect a greater proportion of individuals under 20 years. The selective spread among the young might probably be more because educational institutions were open during the previous lockdown than due to the inherent nature of the virus, since a resurgence of the new variant is likely when the lockdown is lifted. The focus is on accelerating vaccine rollout so that much of the population is protected and transmission is cut. The spread of new variants should alert other countries, particularly South Africa, where a problematic mutation has been found, to remain vigilant. फुल स्टॉप। गाइज ये आपकी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स इसकी स्पीड है। इसमें आपके वर्ड ही काफ़ी सारे वर्ड आप सारे वर्ड बना सकते हो आप। इसमें ऐसा कोई वर्ड नहीं है जो आप इसमें बना नहीं सकते। इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। डिक्टेशन आपको अच्छी लगती है तो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।